Welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. Today I'm going to show you all about hot hammers. Have you seen these before? They're amazing. This is the original hot hammer. It's 10 inches long and it's made of an ironable nylon. So that's the special thing about hot hammers, is you can iron them. Something else that's really neat is when you put it on your fabric, it doesn't slide around. If I'm doing a double hem, I like to draw my first line, then I can put my hot hammer right on the line, fold my fabric up, and press right on the hot hammer. Now, when I want to do my second hem, I can lay my hot hammer close. Let's say I want to do 1 inch, bring my fold to the 1 inch line, and then give my hot hammer a little tug. And now I know that's a perfect 1 inch double hem. That's the original use for the hot hammer. People liked it so much, they came out with a larger one. So now there's also a 14 inch hot hammer to go with the 10 inch hot hammer. But there are some other shapes too. This was the next hot hammer. It's got lots of uses. The first thing you'll notice is the odd shape. What's that cutout for? Well, have you ever done box corners? Here's an easy way to measure in from both sides at the same time. The square corner is great for mitered corners. We're going to use that diagonal line. I'm just going to make sure my point comes to the diagonal line. Give it a little push so it's snug. And then I simply need to fold in and fold in, and I have a beautiful mitered corner. And same thing with the rounded curve. That's meant for rounded corners. You can press it and then trim the bulk out after. Also, there's now a square. I used the square to help me do prairie points. So I need to open my prairie point. If I take my hot hammer and insert it in the point, make sure my crease lines up with that center line, I can press that and have a perfect prairie point. Well, that's the first item for day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. 4 different hot hammers. Wonder clips are another preferred notion for quilters. We've got them in 2 sizes for you. The jumbo clips. I use jumbo clips when I'm clipping rows, when I'm doing bags that use soft and stable, anything that just needs a bigger clip. Then we have the regular Wonder clips in both the rainbow package and the red. I have lots of Wonder clips and I use them all the time. They're especially helpful when you're using cork or vinyl or leather where you can't pin. Then you need to use Wonder clips. But I use Wonder clips for labeling my rows and my blocks, for simply pinning, well, not pinning, Wonder clipping my seams. I have a whole bag of Wonder clips, and these are an essential tool for quilters. Here are the GE Designs organization stickers. You'll remember our arrow stickers from an earlier day, but these are different. You have numbers, letters, common measurements, blank stickers that you can write on with a permanent marker, and lines. You'll see in the pictures that I used the numbers to label my rows when I was sewing my quilt together. The stickers stick right on my Wonder clip. I used the letters when I was attaching the pattern pieces for my purse. They were lettered, so I got to use the letters. You can stick them on your Wonder clips or rulers, your cutting mat if you have a reason to do that. And I thought it was really great to have 3 different colors, and especially those stickers you can write on. GEasy organization stickers are going to help keep your projects all organized. The stocking stuffer for day 9 are the So Daisy spool toppers from Laundry Basket Quilts. They turn your Aurifil thread spools into a needle and pin keeper. All you do is pop it on the top and the bottom, put your needles and your pins inside, and you've got a traveling sewing kit with you. The So Daisy spool toppers are the stocking stuffer for day 9, and I'm getting 1 of each color. That's it for day 9. Today I showed you 4 different hot hemmers. We have Wonder Clips in jumbo and regular size, and the GEasy organizational stickers to help you label them. And our stocking stuffer today was the So Daisy from Laundry Basket Quilts. Join me tomorrow for day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas.